Hi all, today I'm going to give a session on duplicate vendor invoice check. This will be very helpful in real time. So whenever the user enter the same invoice number, it will not allow, it will throw an error. So first and the foremost, what you have to do, you have to go to OMRDC, then click on edit, then click on position, select your company code, check company code, check reference, check invoice date. You all the three you have to enable it and click on save. Then this is got saved. Let us see what is the next step. Next step is the screen layout configuration. So we will go to /n/spro reference IMG financial accounting, accounts receivable and payable, then vendor accounts, master data, preparation for creating vendor master data, then define screen layout per company code vendors you have to select. This is already my company code will come. Then edit field status group, then account management, click on next. Double invoice validation is a required entry. Click on required entry, radio color button, click on save. Next we'll see what is the further step. Now we will create one vendor. XK01, then company code, then your account group, so you can give vendor test to duplicate invoice. You can give country here. Click on next, click on next, click on next, select the reconciliation account, then 012, then A1, go to next, payment terms, you can select. This is check double invoice. This is very important. You have to check this box, then click on save. Then we'll see. After doing this, we have to check the message control. This happens in OBA5 /n OBA5. Then application area is F5. Press enter. Then click on new entries. Then we'll see what is the message we need to do. 117. Press F4 here. You will get a message number 17. See, this you can select. So you have to enter other parameters. See, what do you mean by E? E is a warning. Sorry, E is an error, so it will not show. If you say W, it will proceed further. Always select E, that is the best thing. Then click on save. Next, maintain document type OBS 7 /n OBA 7. Then position KR. So now reference number you have to enable. Just will cross verify. Yes, reference number we have enabled. Then click on save. Next, we will make one purchase entry now. We have to test /in FB60. And now select your company code 2104. Now select the vendor. So which one we have selected? Vendor test duplicate invoice check. You have to select. Then enter the date. Okay. Reference number I'll give 1919. Okay. Now amount I'll give is 1000. Now I'll select GL. I'll select this account. Okay. Now simulate. Please note, I'll be providing a session on production support tickets, so which will be very helpful for you when you are working in production support side. Wait for some more time. My system is a bit slow in responding. So this has been created. Now click on save. Now we have to create another vendor invoice with the same reference number 1919. Let us see how it is going to behave. Yes. So I'll select the same vendor. Again, I'll give the same date. I'll give the same invoice number. So I'll give the amount. Look at here. Check whether the document has already been entered under number 2104 190000172022. So this will not allow you to enter the same thing twice. Now let us remove the reference number. It will not allow. For document type KR, an entry is required in the field reference number. So you have to enter the vendor invoice number in the reference field, otherwise it will not allow. If you enter the same amount, it will throw an error. So let us enter 1920. See, now it is going to take. This how you can able to validate the duplicate reference number so that the business will not enter the vendor invoices twice. Thank you for listening and viewing my demo.